To make this mouth-watering peanut butter chocolate sea salt Rice Krispies, please refer to the description box for detailed instructions, or you can follow along with this video. For reference, this recipe is enough to fill a thick layer in a 9x13 pan. To start, I am melting half a stick of butter in a big pot. To prevent the marshmallow mixture from sticking to the sides, I like to coat the sides of my pot along with whatever pan I will be transferring it to. Once your butter liquefies, add 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter. Keep stirring until it melts into the butter. Now that I have it evenly combined, I am pouring in one 10-ounce package of mini marshmallows. On medium to low heat, mix well until all the ingredients fuse together. Remember to keep it moving so that your mixture doesn't burn or get stuck to the bottom of the pot. Now that the marshmallows have melted in and we have this smooth blend of ingredients, turn off your heat and carefully fold in 6 to 7 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. As much as I enjoy a nice gooey bite of Rice Krispie, I like to make mine less gooey by adding a little bit more cereal. This way it'll provide a crispier bite, and on top of that, it's a less chance for them to get stale quicker. While your mixture is still warm and moldable, quickly transfer it into a greased pan. Pack it down with your hands to minimize and withdraw any air pockets. I like to start off by using my hands, and then I like to roll an object over it with a layer of parchment paper to flatten it out as best as I can. I just used a side of a cup to do this part. Give it 10 minutes to cool down and set before removing it from your pan. Thanks to the butter greased pan, my Rice Krispie fell right out. At this time, you can cut them out using a knife or cookie cutters. Don't forget to grease those too. You know I had to make some heart-shaped for Valentine's Day. I cut out a few hearts and then I divided the rest into mini squares. The last and final step is to dip or drizzle some melted chocolate and give it a light sprinkle of flaky sea salt. So simple, but yet very satisfying. You can easily whip this up in just 15 to 20 minutes. My videos are not only packed with calories, they are doubled in the amount of love. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I truly appreciate all of your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.